Okay, let's do an example of using Pythagorean theorem. Here we have a right-angled triangle, so we can use the theorem. The first thing we should do is always write it down. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then we can label our sides. So we have two legs because they form the right angle. So it doesn't matter whether this is A or this is A. I'll just do that one is A and that one is B. So 27 is going to be A. I'm going to just put, instead of writing A, I'm going to put the number 27. And then I leave the squared there. So 27 squared plus 36 squared, which is the B number, is going to equal C squared. And they're big numbers, but we're just going to work it out with our calculator. So 27 squared, the light isn't very good there. So 27, and on my calculator it's up here, so 729. And make sure you're putting everything straight underneath, and my equal sign is going to be straight underneath. So 729 plus 36 squared, 1,296, is going to equal C squared. So I'm going to add together the 729 plus 1,296. That equals 2,025. I did that on my calculator. It's going to equal C squared. Now that's a really big number, and we got a C squared. But if we remember that a square root gets rid of a squared, they're the opposites. So if I square root this side, I get to get rid of the squared and get rid of the square root. And what I do to one side, I must do to the other. So now we have 2025 square root equals C, because that gets rid of all of that. So then I go onto my calculator and I do 2025, and each calculator is different on how you square root something, but I just get to push a button and it's 45. So 45 equals C. So up here I would write 45, and we're working in meters. Always remember to put your units down.